Hello, Dak Code here, and today I'll be showing you how to control your expressions in VSeeFace with the free version of Touch Portal. What's a Touch Portal, you ask? It's like a Streamdeck, but on your phone. Is available everywhere and is much better than a Streamdeck because it's available for free, unlike a Streamdeck. Download Touch Portal from the Touch Portal website on both your computer and on your phone. Install them and then ensure that they are connected to the same network and launch the app on your computer followed by the app on your phone and follow the instructions that are given to you. Once that is done, you'll be greeted by some page that should be something like this. In the pages tab, which is right here, we'll be clicking on one of the empty buttons. We have about 7 empty buttons. One is for the navigation. So out of that 7, we'll be using one of these buttons and we'll click on it. Now we'll look for a action called low level key press. So for that, we can either come down here and find the low level key press right here, over here, or you can just search it up here and low level key press, and you find the low level key press. Insert the low level key press. Once you have pressed on the action of low level key press, you'll be greeted by this pop-up menu as you are seeing right here, and in this we'll be selecting what key combinations will be activated at once when you hit the buttons through your phone or whatever device you are using to control Touch Portal. So in this example, we'll be making use of the F20 key and the right shift key. This is the key combination we'll be using, and also make sure that when you are trying to create the combinations that you select the right variants of the buttons like right shift, right control, right alt. Use those buttons because they generally do not conflict with most of the games. Most of the games will use the left control, left alt and left shift instead of the right side, so make sure that you use the right side. The same goes with the F keys. Make sure that you use the F keys between F13 to F24 because those are not used by any other things. As for the reason why you cannot use F25 and above, it's because VSeeFace does not recognize those buttons as an actual button. So whenever you use those F25 or above keys, it will not detect it as an actual button, unlike till the F24 keys. In case you're wondering what combinations will work and what combinations will not work with these, I'll have a page that you'll be seeing on this screen right here, link down in this description, which has all the combinations that have worked for me and I'm making it available for you. Be sure to check the description out for the link. Click on add button over here and we'll give this button a name so that you can recognize what button does what from your Touch Portal. And in this case, we'll be making use of the angry expression on VSeeFace. So we'll be naming this angry like so. And if you want, you can further customize your buttons inside Touch Portal by going over here and oh wait, I'm in the way. Let me just get out of the way. As you might be seeing up there, you'll have an option called from file and even icons on the Touch Portal assets page, which you can find right up here. There's several icons, but for now we'll be using an icon that is from my own icon pack and we'll be using this one. Let's open this and we'll want to ensure that this icon button is full size, and also make sure to set your font. Once all the customization has been done, click on save like so, and here's your button. The button's ready. When you refresh your page on your phone, or if it has automatically refreshed, you should now be seeing a button on your phone. With that said, we'll be now jumping into VSeeFace. In this case, you'll be seeing myself right here. Hello there. This is the bigger code, the bigger of the bigger codes. And on your right side is a small code, and on your center is a big code. Regardless, we'll be making use of our big code by coming up here, clicking on the settings. You'll be wanting to come to the settings over here. Once you're in the settings, you'll be wanting to come to the expression settings right up here on top. And as we just decided earlier, it was going to be for the angry expression. So what we're gonna do is come up to the angry place. This is going to get rid of one of my hotkeys for other combinations, but that's totally fine. We'll be clicking on the angry hotkey combination and we'll be greeted with this page. Now all we have to do is hit this button on your phone and it will now detect it as a new combination. Just click on save, which is yes, and it will override this and it will assign this to your new expression. Once that is done, whenever you hit the F20 shift plus F20, or I mean the button on your thing, you'll get this combination running. But as you might have seen, you will have no way to distinguish if the what expression is enabled or not. Sometimes you miss that one of the expressions is enabled, and currently we do not have the way to distinguish it. So I'll be covering on how to customize the button inside touch portal so that it can distinguish when the button is on or off, and so that you can distinguish if the expression is on or off. So be sure to get subscribed so you don't miss out on the tutorial. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a like, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, bye bye.